Okay, hi everyone. Today we're just having this on a handheld video camera, as the flames on this when it starts up can be quite high. This is an HPV Mambo. It is from Germany, originally the DDR, East Germany. They're still on sale, and they aren't for camping. They were for domestic use in the house, as far as I can tell. I did a little bit of research when I bought them. These were used in kitchens. I'll give you a quick overview. They're valve regulators, turn clockwise to close, anti-clockwise to open. There is a fuel tank at the back for bioethanol or meths. I don't know the capacity. It does okay. It depends how much you use the stove. There is a breather hole in the cap, which means it cannot be transported with fuel in it. I do have a bolt that fits with a washer, but I don't take this camping anymore. I tried it a few times and it was very susceptible to wind. These come off for cleaning. There is a tray that you let alcohol into. When you open it, alcohol will go in, and you see some. I'll just get that back into focus. There's some alcohol just going in there. There's very little left in the tank. You then light that. It will preheat the burner. Let it go down a little bit. Once the flames have disappeared from the tray, this will then bloom, and the heated alcohol turns to vapour as a gas, and it gives quite a nice flame. It does take a bit of time to preheat, and you do get some quite high jets of flame going up until then. It also is quite smelly, and I'm not even using meths. If I was using meths, it would absolutely stink. If I take off the other side, it's a twin burner. Both work the same way. You have to light both individually. If I turn it upside down, you can see what it's like. This is just a brazed tank. This one on this side does leak a little bit, so we'll need fixed. You can get issues with rust on these. This one did get a few bashes. There might be a sort of galvanic reaction there. I'll either solder it or braze it. So the alcohol runs from the tank along the tube into the burner, and there is the valve mechanism. It just goes in and out. If you turn it too much, it will be completely removed. To fill, you just unscrew the cap, I use a funnel, or you can use your Trangia bottle and just fill it up. As long as there is a good head of alcohol in the tank, it will feed by gravity to the burners. So here we have a feed. Alcohol will come through gravity down here and into this preheating tray. We'll just turn it on. You should be able to see alcohol pouring in, and then we'll give it a light. I can't really imagine using this in the house. It's well, that's what I'm doing, but it's a bit dodgy. The flame is going quite high, which is why I removed the camera. But there you can see it, and it has the flames coming up. And there is the second burner running. You can see the fuel in the bottom. We're just waiting that to preheat. It's quite a scary item to use in the house. We'll just allow this one to bloom. There's some heat coming off it. And that's it starting to come up. Just get a good flame going. It's I doubt if there are many people still using these. I don't actually use this when I take away the big tent. I tried it once and needed a very big windbreak. It's very susceptible to wind. It's not designed really for camping, even though some people do use them, and on the boats, etc. as well. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's starting to boil. I think we'll turn this off just to be on the safe side. Now, you have to watch the mechanism. If you turn it too much, you're going to take out the valve completely. Things do get rather warm as well. I suppose health and safety was not really an item in East Germany in the 80s and 90s. But that's it on the simmer. I'm turning it right down and it's simmering away. It's a decent little system as long as you have it set up right and it's not damaged. And there it is. The HPV Mambo.